I'm John Champion, alongside me is Jim Beglin, and we're enjoying the atmosphere inside the unique stadium that is Wembley.
Well, what a wonderful setting we've got for this game, John. The atmosphere is absolutely fantastic.
Now, let's see how both these teams will line up. So, Jim, nearly time to kick off. How do you see this one going?
Well, I'm sure the two sets of players will respond to our expectations, but the key point today may well be taking those chances.
And we're now all set. Through and still going. Strikes it from distance. They were so nearly punished for their mistake.
Oh, that was an admirable piece of work. You know, although he hasn't scored, it was good pressing and more than a decent try and goal. Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defence unsettled, and now they've got to back it up.
Cross is towards the centre, and the cross is cleared. He's not taking any risks there. Hits a ball in. He's gone for goal. The keeper, always the favourite there.
And it may have been ambitious, but he came so near to finding the net. I think that's unfortunate.
He's looking to play it into the channel. A shot! What a reprieve that was.
I love to see a team closing down from the front like that, and I think they did brilliant to win it back and get the shot away.
Wants to get this forward. This could be interesting. Looking to carve open the defence. Good through ball. Midway through this first half, the play has settled into a nice pattern. A shot! And that won't be making it through. And he can't hit the target. What options are there for him? Sends it towards the centre. And he's there to clear it. Another 5 minutes remaining before half-time, and the game is tied. It went out of play. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? And there is the referee's whistle to end the first half.
Well, at last I've got a chance to catch breath here. I think the sheer pace at the beginning caught even some of the